wife's 2016 Toyota 4Runner today, and I'm going to show you guys all about hooking your phone up to Bluetooth if you want to play your phone. Now, you can do the wired connection. I've actually got the cable ran into a I don't know if you can see that, just a in the 12-volt output for USB. So just to charge the phone, it has a USB link down here, but that just looks really tacky with the cord everywhere, versus like this you can hide the cord. Okay, so what we're going to do is make a quick video of how to connect your phone. This is an older, like I said, 2016, so the newer ones may be a little different, but I'm gonna flip the camera around here and show you guys. Okay, I can't play any songs, anything like that, because YouTube will flag me for copyright, but I am going to show you real quick how to connect your iPhone. I got a Pro Max 13, or it works most anything Apple puts out, and possibly other devices as well. I'm just familiar with the Apple. Okay, so let's get started. I'll show you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth so you can play your music and stuff. All right, so I don't want you to think that it has to be wired. It is not. I was just charging my phone with that. So, okay, there is my phone. Okay, so we come back here and let's see, you want to push, I want to check something. So, okay, you want to push Bluetooth audio. So you have FM, AM, XM, iHeart, and a few other options, but you want the Bluetooth audio, which is right there. Okay, so you push the Bluetooth audio button and it takes us into this screen, and what we want to do is hit select device. Source takes you back to the main overview of FM, AM, Bluetooth, but you can browse. You got all this down here you can go through, but we're going to select device. Okay, my wife's name is Bridget, and I'm actually videoing it with her phone, so it is already connected, but we want to connect Mike's phone. So we're going to add. All other devices must be disconnected before a new device can be paired. Okay, yes. All right, gives you, all right, it's gonna search for Bluetooth devices. I am just going in here to my Bluetooth. Toyota 4Runner just popped up. So we're gonna select that on our iPhone. Look at that. Bluetooth pairing was successful. See, Mike's iPhone XR. So I will need to install this app from the App Store to do that. All right. We'll skip that messaging because we just want to. Okay, I'm gonna ignore this right now. That's basically just to make sure that you can message through your radio. Toyota 4Runner connected, as you see. All right, so we can get out of there. We can go into music, songs, and as you can see, I don't have it playing, or I have the volume down, but I just selected that song. So, and we're gonna cut that off, so no copyrights. But you guys see, Bluetooth audio, select device. It was just Bridget's iPhone. Now it is Bridget's iPhone and Mike's iPhone. So that is how you connect your Apple device, iPhone, to the 2016 Toyota 4Runner Bluetooth. Okay guys, if I helped you out in any way, shape, or form, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, and please follow me. Tell all your friends about me. I vlog the wife's 2016 4Runner, and also the star of the channel is my lifted F-150 named Legend. Got a lot of mods coming for that thing soon, so stay tuned and stay safe. We will catch you in the next video. Later now.